Hello everybody, it's Inex here. In today's video I will show you how to animate increasing image size. The example, we have this Premiere Pro logo. We select the photo and on the effect control we create a timestamp on the scale. We move the cursor to the endpoint we want to increase the logo and we drag the scale handle to right. If we want to change the speed of the animation, we just drag the endpoint closer to the start point and the animation will be faster. Also, we select the handles, right click and select Auto Bezier to make it smoother. That was it for today. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future videos.